Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming 2 essentials: a level 20+ speed build and at least 500 rings or equivalent currency. Once done, join a populated server so spawn rates are healthy. This increases your chance for rare drops. Make sure you equip any active speed boosts and set a respawn point near the main spawn because you will be repeating short loops. Now move toward the hotspot area described next and keep momentum. Don't stop. Pace and repetition matter here. You now execute the farming loop. Run a 30 to 60 second circuit through the boss zone, focusing on breaking crates and disrupting enemy encampments, because those yield the highest drop chance for rare gear. Once you have rhythm, invite friends or join a group to multiply spawns and loot roll opportunities. Make sure to pick up all loot immediately and deposit currency between runs. This prevents loss on death and keeps your run efficient. Keep alternating sprint bursts and short rests to manage stamina. You finish by verifying inventory for the metal knuckles or any component parts. If you have blueprints, craft immediately, and if you have duplicates, trade with teammates. Once done, repeat longer sessions. Aim for 30 or more minutes per farming block, because drop rates improve with persistence. If you run into issues, troubleshoot by reducing graphics settings, relogging, or switching to a different server region to fix lag that can block loot spawns. Remember, consistency and group play are the reliable shortcuts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.